Introducing the remote control robot dog from Top Race. Give your dog commands with the included easy-to-use remote control. And watch as he plays the day away. Take him for walks.
Somersault.
And even control him using your voice. He even imitates other animals. From Top Race.
Introducing the interactive wireless remote control puppy toy by Dimple.
Hey kids, nice to meet you. Let's play together.
This adorable remote control toy puppy can sing and dance.
Let me sing a song to you.
This puppy has multiple play modes, including alphabet and number learning modes.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N.
You can control the puppy up to 6.5 feet away and have hours of educational fun.
M-G-O-M bingo, what's its name?
The easy-to-use USB charger port makes sure the fun or learning never has to end. Get yours today!
乐能 Intelligent Patrol Dog. It's not an ordinary robot dog. When I go home from school, it'll bark at me. Like a spoiled child. When I am drawing, it's always with me quietly. It's a dog most obedient to me. Patrol dog, come over. It can sing as well. Dance for me. Play with me. And make me fun. 乐能 Intelligent Patrol Dog, my best friend. It is really a good partner for me to